If you're using a character as an Omni-Reference with Midjourney's V7 model, you might run into some challenges when it comes to getting that character to show different facial expressions. Today, I'll share a few tips to help you improve your facial expressions when using an Omni-Reference. And if you're new to the Omni-Reference or OREF parameter, be sure to check out this video. This topic started as a post that I shared with my Patreon community, but I thought it deserved to have its own video. With V7, facial expressions are generally more straightforward compared to the V6 models. V7 is more accurate and better at capturing nuances. For example, getting a character to wink in V6 is somewhat challenging with just a text prompt. But in V7, you can use a prompt like this, and you'll consistently get results that show the person winking. Same thing with an expression like disgust. V6 gives you expressions that can look more like anger or pain, but V7 better understands what this expression should look like with minimal prompt effort. And V7 is better at capturing subtle differences across a range of emotions. Here's an example where we start at annoyed and go all the way to furious. So that's all great, but let's say that you want to use the same character each time. This is where things get interesting. I used this image as my Omni-Reference, and I like to start simple, so I prompted for a happy woman using the default settings. And these were my results. What happened? My expectation was that she would be smiling, but she's only smiling in one image out of the 4 results. If I prompt for a happy woman without an Omni-Reference, it works just fine, so what's going on here? Adding an Omni-Reference to your prompt creates a new variable that Midjourney needs to balance against your text prompt. Any additional parameter or image reference that you add to the prompt influences your results along with the text prompt. In the case of Omni-Reference, Midjourney's job is to reproduce the character, object, whatever you have as your Omni-Reference, but in a new context. For characters, this can mean that the facial expression in your reference may compete with the text prompt. And in this particular case, she's not smiling in the reference image, and using the word happy in the prompt was not strong enough to get her to smile consistently in the results. So how do we fix this? There are a few ways that we can improve our results. The first is to adjust the Omni weight. 100 is the default, which is what I started with. Watch what happens when I use the same prompt but decrease the Omni weight. When Omni weight is lowered to around 50 or 60, she's smiling more consistently. You can still get a decent character match at those lower Omni weights, and it gives you more flexibility in terms of adjusting the character's expression. A second thing to try is to be more descriptive in your prompt, and this is also covered in my V7 tips video, which I'll link below. If there's something that you want to see in your results and Midjourney just isn't getting it, think of other ways to describe what you want. So instead of just using the word happy, we can include that she is smiling. V7 is better than V6 at prompt adherence, so when you get just a little more specific, it can make all the difference. By including smiling, we're getting directly to the point. It leaves less room for interpretation because now Midjourney knows that it needs to include a smile. So even at higher Omni weights, we can get her to smile. Some expressions will be trickier than others, but the idea is to get more specific. Think about what the eyebrows are doing, what's happening with the mouth, how do those features work together to create that expression? A third tip is to try using an image reference that shows the facial expression you want. Midjourney isn't going to copy the expression in this image detail for detail, but including it as an image reference can work really well as a guide. So on the left is my image reference, and on the right is my Omni-Reference. The goal is to create images where my Omni-Reference has the facial expression shown in the image reference. On the website, I'll drag and drop my image reference here. 2 other ways to add your image reference are to paste the image URL directly in the prompt bar, or click here and select from images that you've already uploaded. Next, I'll add my character as an Omni-Reference and then type my prompt. For this example, I'm keeping it short and prompting for a woman. I'm not indicating any kind of facial expression, I'm letting the image reference and the Omni-Reference do the talking. And here are the results. And we can try to make it better by describing the facial expression in the prompt. This trick of using an image reference can also be helpful for character poses. So to recap, you can lower the Omni weight, be more descriptive, or use an image reference as a guide, and that should help you get better facial expressions when using characters as Omni-References. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I also have a Patreon community with both free and paid tiers. Everyone gets video notifications, and for the price of a coffee each month, you can get access to every monthly prompt collection that I've released, other mini tutorials, and exclusive content like behind the scenes on how I create these YouTube videos. I think it's a pretty good deal and is one of the best ways to support this channel, so thank you to everyone who has joined. I'll leave a link up on the screen and down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.